California has just made history by becoming the first state in the nation to ban most law enforcement officers, including federal immigration agents, from covering their faces while on duty. Governor Gavin Newsom signed the new law on Saturday in Los Angeles, alongside lawmakers and immigrant community members. The bill comes in direct response to recent high-profile immigration raids in Los Angeles, where federal agents wore masks while making mass arrests. Those images sparked days of protest and even prompted former President Donald Trump to deploy National Guard troops and Marines to the city. Supporters of the law argue that masked raids create fear and distrust within communities, while critics, including officials at the Department of Homeland Security, have called the measure dangerous, saying it puts officers' safety at risk. The new law prohibits the use of ski masks, neck gaiters, and similar face coverings during official business. Exceptions are made for undercover operations, medical masks such as N95 respirators, or certain tactical situations. It does not apply to California State Police. Assemblymember Al Suchi said the law is also tied to protecting schools, describing it as a message to Washington to keep immigration enforcement away from classrooms. The Department of Homeland Security, however, insists that hiding identities is necessary, arguing that agents face harassment both in person and online, and that their families could be endangered. Legal scholars have weighed in, with some noting that federal agents still must follow general state rules unless those rules severely obstruct their duties. Across the country, several states are also considering similar bans, and Democrats in Congress have voiced support. Proponents in California say this measure is about restoring public trust, preventing impersonation crimes, and standing up against what they describe as federal overreach. Alongside the mask ban, Governor Newsom also signed new laws blocking immigration agents from entering schools and health facilities without a court order, while also requiring schools to notify parents and teachers if immigration enforcement shows up on campus. These actions are part of California's broader effort to push back against aggressive immigration enforcement policies and to protect immigrant families. Whether the state can fully enforce the ban against federal officers remains uncertain, but for now, California has drawn a clear line. This is a developing story and we'll continue to follow how it plays out. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay with InsightPulse for more in-depth updates on politics, law, and social issues shaping our nation.